Hi, welcome back. So today we are working on a AO Smith commercial boiler, and this boiler wasn't heating. I have put into disable mode, and let's turn it on and see what is going on. Okay, enable. Now it will go into its regular sequence of operation. So it says on the screen pre-purge. Okay, so no blower speed feedback, and the error code it says BE-1. Okay, so we have three inline same type of boiler. They all are connected in the same loop. So two are working, but the mid one has issue, and this is the motor. It is having issue, and this it is connected these are the 5 pins, and there are another 3 pins on the other side. The other side is like an input power supply, and this is for speed modulation. So there is one more testing method to verify if the boiler is if the motor is gone, or maybe the control board is not sending the signal to this. So the control board is located into this black box, and this is the motor. So we're gonna verify if the control board is sending the signal to the motor or no. I already tested my incoming power supply is very good. It's 120 volt coming to the motor. Okay, let's verify if the control board is sending signal to the blower motor or combustion motor. So the heater is on disable mode. Menu, scroll down, or heater status. So heater status, scroll down. Okay, so we have to focus these two, the blower RPM command and actual blower RPM. So the blower RPM command means the control board is sending signal to the motor, and the blower RPM means the actually motor is rotating or not. So let's put that into enable mode, and we'll see if there is any changes coming up here. Okay, so if you see the blower RPM command is saying 7500. Back, menu, heater status. So again okay, so we saw that the blower RPM command, it was 7200 RPM. The control board was sending that command, but the blower was not rotating and the fault was coming on. So that means we have a bad combustion blower motor. So we're gonna replace that motor. Okay, so this is the new motor I have taken out with the gas valve, because that was the only easiest way to take it out, and this is the new motor. So we're gonna assemble back together, and I don't see any burning mark, but for some reason that wasn't working, and so we're gonna assemble it back and test it again. Okay, so I have reassembled the new motor back in with the gas valve, and this is a combustion motor. So all the wirings and all the connections are tightened. I have tightened this unit back, and my power is on, but my unit is into the disable mode. So put it onto the enable. Okay, so now the unit will recycle. It says standby. Okay, so that's because of the temperatures are up because all three boilers, this one, and this one, they are connected in same line. So let's wait for temperature to cool down and then we'll test the unit. Okay, so this is the old motor. There's no any burn mark is detected, but as we can see, there are small electronic components. Anything could go bad, especially these are the capacitor, resistance and transistors, chips, so many minor components. So okay, so it's working.